Hey, good morning, guys. We're going to be going over Bitcoin here, why we could actually be getting pretty bullish, even though I know everyone's looking at the charts right now thinking, oh my gosh, we're going to crash down. But let me show you guys why I think we're going to get bullish here. And almost, it feels like all these moves down are timed specifically with news events on purpose for a bigger move up in the market. And I want to give you guys some hope here. So let's just dive right in. Top and bottom finder, absolutely amazing sell signal we got up here. And we've been seeing the move down ever since. Real quick, at the end of the video, I will give you guys, we actually have a new setup on our website where we're going to give you guys an automatic $400 coupon code off. I'll show that to you guys. It's a one-time coupon code you can use. So here's what I'm looking at. If you guys go on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we've got. We had the broadening wedge pattern that broke to the upside and then we broke back down. So we have to take that off because that pattern is no longer valid. Now what we're looking at and what I'm looking at with my portfolio, because I have, just close to $300,000 in my portfolio, I'm like, oh my gosh, are we going to head down further or are we going to start seeing a turnaround to the upside? So let me give you guys some evidence of why I think we're going to start turning around and why we could be getting pretty bullish. Number one, we are at a high volume node. So a lot of transactions have gone through this area here at about $28,000. Which not only is past consolidation, this is going to act as a bounce zone. I say this confidently, I could be wrong, but I'm very confident we are going to get a very nice bounce at 28,000 or possibly sooner. We have well money flow very low. And so when wells sell into the market, we watch this time and time again. And what we do is we watch to see, okay, how, there is a rhyme and a reason of how the wells pump the market. And they wait for really, really low times where they sell a bunch. And then at these levels, time and time again, the market actually starts pumping again. And it always seems to be around the exact same levels. And if you're not looking at indicators like this, you're not going to see it. It's right around this value of about 10 all the way up to about 20. And we're right, I'll be honest, we could go on just a little bit further, but both times we hit that, we immediately saw the market turn around here. We immediately saw the market turn around here and we blew back up here and had a really nice bull run over here. On top of that, look at this data that I'm looking at. The trend exhaustion is the actual trend itself overextended to the downside in crypto. And the answer is absolutely it is. And again, if we're pairing this with well money flow, we use this to say is well selling, is the trend low? And it is. We saw it over here. We saw both of them low. We also saw it over here. We saw trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. Both of these times ended up correlating and moves up in the market. This is where I start doing this analysis and I'm like, okay, I'm not going to get freaked out. Let me show you something else on here you guys might enjoy seeing here. All of these drops, literally we've got FTX. So we've got the FTX crash. We come over here, we've got the Silicon Valley crash. We've got Coinbase looking like they may be moving out of the United States. Does this not seem timed to everybody? Every single time we get a drop, there's a news event that correlates with it. And it's just I don't want to say it's a plan because it's going to sound weird to some of you, but it seems like there's almost a plan here to completely liquidate people going long, get people to sell into the market, and then completely just rip this thing back up and short squeeze everybody that ended up selling into the market. I don't know if you guys are seeing that, but it is happening every single time. A news article comes out that looks like the biggest doom and gloom for crypto. We see a really nice retracement back down and we shoot straight back up and we shoot straight back up. Not only price action confirms that, we see the indicators are literally following suit with the exact same thing. When well money flows low, I'll give you guys these indicators at the end of the video. Get the price for well money flow, put them on. When this is low, when that is low, you need to start looking to get back into the market. And I think we're going to start seeing this move down maybe just a little bit further. And you are getting ready for a prime time re-entry into the market because I really do think we are going to keep heading up here until June. And I've been showing this to all of our members, how if you look at, I'm going to give away some kind of member only data here just really quickly. This is a chart that I talk about just with our members. You guys have never seen me show here. We can see the crashes happen time and time again in June 2nd, June 19th, and we're looking for the crash in June, and it's usually going to be a fast move up until then. I'm very, very confident, guys, we are going to see a move up into May and into June because it's been the exact same pattern happening the last two halving events. And so I don't know how much money you guys stand to make, but what I'm doing here is, money on the sidelines. I'm pretty, tight on that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be holding right now. This market goes back up here. I'm going to be if we can just get back to this high here, my account's going to rebound about $40,000 from here back to the high. And that's what I want to end this video with. And I'll give you guys these indicators to watch this because you need to be watching when these two are low because that's when you're going to be getting into these entries, guys. This is so much fun. Okay, let me give you guys the most realistic time frame for this. When you look at a descending broadening wedge pattern, you need to understand this is an incredibly bullish pattern. So let me give you data here to prove this. An impulse move with a descending broadening wedge is always, technically, if you look at any chart, it's always bullish. So that's what we've got in our favor here. So if we look at this and we do bounce off of not only well money flow low, trend exhaustion low, high point of control, really strong support here. Like this is all the perfect factors here that we could potentially be moving up, maybe just a little bit lower, and I'm going to be timing it with these two here. But you're looking at a rebound back to the structure high here, easily 10%, and I think we can actually push up to 32,000 because once you get everybody liquidated from the shorts and the selling, it takes away all the selling power and it pushes the market back up, and I really do think we're going to hit $32,000 on the next move back up here because that is, if you look at the charts to the left side, the next structure resistance. And so what is a realistic time frame for, let's say, a 12% gain here, 12.5% gain? I think we can look at this pattern over here, and this is fairly accurate, where we've got about, let's see, 5 days, 20 hours, like 6 days, let's call this 7 days. We're going to give it a grace period of 7 days where we're almost starting at the same spot. Within 7 days, we could be, I'm trying to be really, honest about all this of projections. Within 7 days, we could be doing about 12%, 12.5%. We could be seeing that. So if you guys are freaking out right now, I'm telling you, this is almost programmed with a terrible news article comes out, and then you get the drop, you liquidate everybody to the downside, and you take all the retail traders' money because they went long up here, they took it all, they exit, and then all the big boys come in and they pump it up again. I can tell you the big boys are getting ready to buy because we can see the well money flow low and we can see 4-hour low as well, okay? Here are the indicators that you guys need to pick up, and I'm going to give you guys a crazy deal right now. Go to the indicators tab. I have a link in the description for you, and we changed some things this morning. Get the bundle pack. You'll get the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and 7 other indicators as well as the trend dashboard. Actually, it's really cool. So snag this first. Go ahead and click this, and then right when you guys, actually I'll go through the process with you guys. We have over 3,000 sales here, 3,900. This stuff truly works, guys. I promise you. We do have this valued at 2,241. You are going to get 82% off this. Add this to your cart. And then what we did this morning for everybody, enter in a zip code. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's go 959212. I don't know if that's even a zip code. And then once you guys check out here, we are going to give you guys a one-time coupon code off the top and bottom finder if you want to partner that with these. So you can get all of our indicators and the top and bottom finder that has been calling the buys here, called the buy here, the strong sell up here, and you guys can actually watch this and follow along with us because I'm telling you, there's not another better metric in the market to call tops and bottoms than the top and bottom finder, and we're giving you guys a $400 coupon code on this. So bundle pack first. We immediately have it for you guys at checkout. It's normally $749. We're going to give you guys $400 off this, and that's all linked in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, I'm pumped. I am not scared. I'm just holding my portfolio. I'm not making any crazy selling decisions. I'm just holding because I really believe this market's going to head back up, and within the next 2 weeks, probably within the next 2 weeks, I would say maximum 3 weeks, we are going back above $30,000, and that's my call, and I'll keep you guys updated. I love you guys. Have a good one. Oh, by the way, sorry. Our website, tradeconfident.io. We are 15 wins and 0 losses on our trades. So get the indicators, get a membership. It is only $59 a month. I'm coming out with member-only content. Literally, I'm coming out with a video tomorrow where I'll show you guys where Bitcoin could just absolutely take off here and pass all-time highs by the end of the year. I'll give you guys evidence of that. That's in the future forecast. We are 15 trades, 0 losses on scalping trades. We've got trades called right now. I'll show you guys a track record here. 3 trades pending. This is where it's at. Indicators as well as a subscription. I promise you guys, you are going to be joining a family, and I say this confidently, that will really help you guys succeed in this market right now and into the bull run heading up into the halving event. Like I said, I have over $250,000 invested into crypto. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing it with all of our members in future forecast, and I'm telling you guys, I truly believe we're going to be one of the most successful channels out there with a community like this, and I've got a lot of good things planned for you guys. All right, I'll end this video here. All the links are in the description. We'll see you guys in the membership. Snag those indicators, enjoy that $400 coupon code, and let's trade these markets. We'll see you guys.